In the shop today we have the Toro Sidewinder. This is a Groundsmaster 3500D, and the throttle cable had snapped when the operator went to engage it. I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix yours. Here's the machine. Now, for speeding up the video purposes, I had already loosened some of this and then I decided to do the video, but basically you want to take this cover off of your machine here. Alright, and let's just get that cover out of the way. Now, I had two bolts right here that I had to take out for this throttle, which then left this loose, okay? There was this plate that was underneath of there. See if I can get it back in there. Oh, there was this plate that was also under there that sat on top of the throttle. It went underneath of this, but it went on like that, and your bolts went through there. So when you loosen those bolts, this plate is going to slide out from the bottom. Just set that aside. And now it's pretty simple. Your throttle should be able to pull up through here, and you can see that the cable right there is no longer attached. Alright, it's supposed to go right in that hole. And so what we need to do is you're going to pop your hood on the machine, and your cable runs back behind your seat up to the side over here, and as you can see we have a lot of play left. So we are going to loosen this up, let some slack out. We need to push this back in so that we can have some cable come out of here, and then we're just going to hook it. We're going to get some pliers and bend it in right into that hole there, and that should fix the cable there. Being that they gave us a lot of extra cable here, it should be a pretty simple fix for you. And if not, if you do need to replace the whole cable, you really just want to undo this bolt here, and you're going to undo this flathead here, and you can pretty much pull that cable out from around the seat and right up out of there and put a whole new cable in. But you shouldn't need to get a new cable because it looks like there's plenty of wire to feed new cable into the handle. And that's pretty much it. It's not really rocket science on that, but for those of you that don't know and might be wanting to look into the job before you do it, you'll be happy to know that it's quite simple. Okay, so please hit subscribe below, give me a like, and I'll see you guys next time.